It's Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's family again is fighting Bola Ahmed Tinubu for not fulfilling the promise he made that if he won election, he will release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. The same thing so that IPOP will not protect or cancel election during the last presidential election. The same thing happened against, remember, the same thing happened against Soludo when he said that if IPOP should not cancel the election, when he win, his priority is to bring Nnamdi Kanu out. Now, my people always say this, in my fair. Now, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu family should know that the struggle of Biafra is not a family problem. It's something to do with nation. And whatever political agreement they have to reach, they have to go to the people that are going for that so that they can have well-documented political agreement in order for this to abide somehow. Not every time someone will come and play them, they will come out and start shouting. This is not family affair. Unfortunately, the person that's supposed to be fighting this, they are fighting the person. When you look at Kanunta, it's fighting Simon Ekpa. When you look at Chike Dozo, it's fighting Simon Ekpa. All these people have no political experience. They don't have this political bargain. Politics is like, if you give me this, I will give you that. If you don't give me this, I'm not going to give you. You do your thing. That's how politics goes. But when somebody comes to tell you, then you say, okay, no problem. Then that means it will not be abide. You see, Nigeria is not a place that you will say, oh, somebody will be, abide with his own statement or things like that. Considering Bola Ahmed Tinubu is already a criminal, is somebody a drug lord. Most of the cabal that you have there, none of them are law-abiding citizens. Muhammad Buhari, who gave the position to Bola Ahmed Tinubu, you guys know his position, his stand. His stand is that Nnamdi Kanu should buy there if possible. Tinubu, for him to get there, he has to abide by that and say, okay, I'm going to keep him if I get in. And you guys, they play you guys without no political structure. Then you guys are coming out to tell the people, the Biafran government in Ezra, that is the one backing Nigerian government. While back, indirectly, at back, you guys are the one doing what you are accusing the Biafran government in Ezra. You are selling your brothers out in order to gain your another place. It doesn't work that way. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, in his own mouth, said it, go and serve Nigeria and come back with shame. That is what is happening to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu family. The family should know that this is not all about us. Nnamdi Kanu is fighting for a cause. This cause, they have procedures. If you say that DOS is organized, then they could have had the procedures. They bring paper. DOS has failed when they allowed Soludo to get into position, saying he's fighting for Nnamdi Kanu. Today, Soludo told you that Nnamdi Kanu releases has no relevance in the insecurity they have in the East. You guys are going back to fight him. Then you want Tinubu to abide again. Tinubu told you that he doesn't care about what happened to Nnamdi Kanu. You see what we are seeing. I wish these people organized with Biafran government as who is a politician already. He knows, he even said it the first time, I said, why will you guys be making this gross mistake? In politics, we have to bargain to get something in order to lose something. We need negotiation. Why do we always want to make gross mistake? How many times will you make gross mistake? I said it in Igbo, that's before my faith, which means how many times will something happen to you for you to know something? Everybody wants Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to be out, including myself, including millions of people. We want it. We want Nigeria to negotiate and if they will be together or not. But it's not in this way. It's not a family matter. Somebody will call you from nowhere. You say, okay, no problem. Then you cancel, forgetting that a lot of children, a lot of youths have died because of this problem. Thank you.